Capricorn, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin what's coming to you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Capricorn. Next 7 days, what's up? What's up? TikTok, uy. Baka yung TikTok to na na app. So, kailangan daw maging active kayo sa TikTok. Truth to be told. Oh my God. So, I feel like merong mare-reveal anytime soon. Naghihintay lang to na ma-reveal sa'yo. Meron ditong natatanggal na maskara. So, parang merong mare-reveal ang katauhan ng isang tao sa'yo or ang intention ng isang tao sa'yo. You have orphaned. Alam nyo, Capricorn, yung iba sa inyo, if there is someone na aalis sa buhay ninyo dahil may iba na siya, or some of you pwedeng meron ditong separation with someone, yung parang pinaasa ka lang ng person na to. It is meant to happen no? Ganun talaga. Ibig lang sabihin nito, merong mas magandang nakalaan para sa'yo. Someone or something that is intended for you, your destiny, your purpose. So, pwede kasi itong hindi lang sa relationship, no? Pwede itong anytime soon, you will realize na yung situation na meron ka, hindi yan yung bagay na gusto mo para sa sarili mo. You want something else. So, maaring feeling mo, hindi ka supported dyan sa sitwasyon na yan, sa trabaho, sa career na yan. You feel like it's not really it's not really who you really are. Oo, pandaming really. Kasi parang you are realizing it. Marami kang realization. Nakakalungkot kasi yung iba sa inyo parang you are trying to blend in, or parang you are trying your best to be part of a situation, pero it's not really for you. Okay? Just take what resonates. But I think ito yung marirealize mo eventually. Yung katotohanan na marireveal sa'yo. And once na finally na-reveal na yan sa'yo, na-realize mo, ito na yung simula ng bagong opportunity for you, bagong landas na tatahakin mo na kung saan mas magiging masaya ka, mas magiging settled ka, mas magiging contented ka. You have the King of Pentacles. This is your energy. Very stable financial situation and career path for you in the next 7 days. You have the High Priestess. So, I feel like ito yung revelation. Mas magiging spiritual ka in a sense na gusto mo na yung situation na meron ka is something that you are enjoying, and also at the same time nakakatulong ka rin sa iba. The High Priestess is also about wisdom. So, maaring meron kang pag-aaralan, or ito ay napag-aralan mo na at na-realize mo what needs to be done. Ano yung kailangan mong gawin para may magbago sa buhay mo. You have the Ace of Cups. This is a new source of happiness, new source of inspiration. So, maaring may offer for you, offer for a new opportunity, offer for new love. O, diba? Ace of Pentacles. Ang daming new beginnings, Capricorn. This is exciting kasi yung mga minamanifest mo ay magsisimula ng mangyari para sa'yo. Like, na siya, realistic na siya. It's happening in the real world. Whatever you are manifesting, new love, new relationship, new career, new business. You have the King of Swords and then the Queen of Pentacles. Wow, King and Queen of Pentacles in the same reading, no? Itong energy ng King of Swords, I see this as mas nagiging matalino ka pagdating sa decision mo. Pagdating sa pagpili ng mga gagawin mo or gagamitin mo or iti-take mo na opportunity. With the Queen of Pentacles, I think you will focus on your financial stability, financial independence, your resources. Importante yung resources for you right now. You have the Tower. Something is going to crumble. Oo, I feel like ito yung kailangan mo nang i-let go. Ito yung mga bagay na maaring akala mo this is going to bring you what you want. Ito yung magbibigay sa'yo ng mga bagay na gusto mo. Or dito ka magiging masaya. But eventually, you realize na hindi pala. Now, the thing is, buti na lang, you will, may enlighten ka, no? Maliliwanagan ka. At dun ka na magkakaroon ng opportunity na may baguhin sa buhay mo and to start what you really want, what is close to your heart, what is your passion, saan ka masaya. Oh my God, Capricorn, wish granted. Oh, mag-wish na kayo ngayon. Ano ba yung wish mo na gusto mong ma-experience in the next 7 days? Claim it. It's going to happen. There's good luck. See, knowledge, learning, meron kang i-improve sa kaalaman mo. Meron kang i-improve sa skill set mo. Maaring iba sa inyo, meron rin kayong ayusin na dokumento. Mag-update kayo ng mga documents ninyo, mga, let's say, passport, IDs, mga certificates. You are breaking up with someone. I'm sorry, Capricorn, no? But if sa tingin mo ay mararamdaman mo yan no? Kung napapanood mo to sa panahon na may pinagdadaanan ka sa relationship mo, I feel like in the next 7 days, mauuwi siya sa separation. And you know what? I feel like kahit na ganun yung mangyari, it's for your own good. Para sa kapakanan nyo to pareho. Kasi yun yung mas makakabuti para sa inyo. Pwede kasing hindi na kayo supportive sa isa't isa. You can be toxic sa isa't isa. And kailangan nyo munang mag-focus sa kanya-kanya nyong buhay. You know what you want right now. Hinahanap mo yung totoong meaning ng buhay. Yung feelings mo. You are connecting to your feelings. You want katahimikan. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring nagsastart na kayo mag-yoga, mag-meditate, self-reflection, focusing on your wellness, your health. Tinatanggal mo yung mga bagay na nakakapagpa-stress sa'yo. Kasi alam nyo, minsan, meron tayong na-manifest or hinihiling or wish pa nagpipray na makuha natin. Pero akala natin hindi binibigay kasi mga pagsubok yung binibigay sa atin. But actually, yun kasi yung kailangan mangyari. Kailangan natin pagdaanan yung pagsubok na yun para makuha natin yung wish natin. Friend. Be as good a friend to yourself as you are to others. Yes. So kung mabuti kang kaibigan sa iba, syempre dapat magbuti ka rin kaibigan sa sarili mo. Okay? Patience, it is safe to wait. May mga bagay na kailangang magdaan sa proseso. Okay lang na naghihintay as long as alam mo na meron kang hihintayin. 'Di ba? Love. Love people, love them with all your heart. Just be sure to love yourself first. Yes. it doesn't mean na kung ikaw ay nakapag-separate sa ibang tao or kinut off mo yung isang tao, it doesn't mean na hindi mo sila mahal. So, pwede rin namang hindi mo na talaga sila mahal. But, you just want to protect yourself. Mas pinipili mo lang yung sarili mo ngayon. Lalo na yung peace of mind na gusto mo para sa sarili mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.